Hi, it's Danilsa, senior artist for Sephora at 86 in Lexington, New York City. And today I'm going to share with you my morning skincare routine for combination skin and my makeup prep. So stay tuned. So guys, I'm going to start cleansing my skin, just taking off the skincare I had the night before. I'm going to start with a Murad Clarifying Cleanser. It's a gel cleanser that helps dissolve excess oil, purify pores, clear existing blemishes. It's one of my favorite cleansers. So before I use the cleanser, I always dab my face first with water just to start up a lather. So I want to take a small amount on my hands. So keep it away from the eye area. You want to gently massage it into your skin. So just massage it everywhere. Also, I do a little bit on my neck as well because I've been breaking out there lately. But yeah, so just massage it really all over your skin. And then I'm going to use the towel with water just to remove the face cleanser. Obviously at home, I would be in the sink splashing my face with water. But just because we're here, I'm just going to use the towel. So make sure their soap is off really well. And then I'm going to pat my skin dry to get ready for my next step, which is the Murad Clarifying Toner. It's an oil-finding toner that refreshes and purifies acne-prone skin. I'm oily to combination skin. My skin tends to get oily mainly in the center of my face. So this toner really just helps bring balance to my skin, keep it nice and clean, keep my pores tight. That way my skin looks really nice and smooth throughout the day. My makeup application on top goes on even smoother. So apply some in a cotton round, and I'm just going to just apply this all over my face and also down my neck just to remove any excess oil, excess soap, and that's it. You want to let it dry down before you do your next step. So the next step is the Youth to the People Superfood Airwhip Hyaluronic Acid Moisture Cream. So it's going to give me that hydration where I need it without making my oily areas feel heavy and greasy throughout the day. This is a really, really clean brand. It literally has kale, spinach, and green tea, which is soothing for your skin, hydrating, and really yummy ingredients for nice, youthful, healthy skin. One of my favorites, just take a pea-sized amount and you want to press it into your skin because you want to be gentle to your skin and you want to push the product in, work it all the way down to your neck as well. It feels nice and fresh. So the next step is eye cream. It's a very important step. I'm using the Drunk Elephant CTANGO Multivitamin Eye Cream. So this eye cream is going to help with loss of firmness and elasticity, fine lines and wrinkles. Super hydrating. It has vitamin C, so it's going to help with those dark circles, really brighten under your eye. And what I love about it is my concealer goes on super smooth on top of it, and it keeps it from caking and creasing throughout the day. One of my favorite eye creams. Do not forget eye cream, guys. It's very important, especially if you stay up late like I do. And you want to pat it underneath your eye until it's nice and distributed under your eye area. If you're going to wear eyeliner, try not to put it too close to your lash line, just in case you do wear eyeshadow or eyeliner, you don't want that to smudge. So next I'm going to use the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 40. Don't forget your sunscreen. I really never used to wear sunscreen until I find one that I really, really like. What I love about this one, it doesn't have the sunscreen smell. So this sunscreen is going to protect you against UVA, UVB, infrared, and blue light. So I'm taking a small amount and pressing it into my skin. You do want to do this step after all your skincare is nice and absorbed. So this is going to be your last step. So you want to take a small amount, press it into your skin, down your neck, also whatever's left, put it on your ears as well. And this one doubles up as a makeup primer, and it makes your makeup last a really long time. I was pleasantly surprised. It's actually a really good primer. And you are all set to start your makeup application or go natural. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something new. And if you need help finding your own skincare routine, head over to your local Sephora and ask one of our skincare experts to help you with that. So don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.